Welcome back with us. So it's day 9 and we're going to be doing our wash and style method again today. Alright viewers, let's get started with our wash and style for today. So today we're going to be scramble washing with the conditioner. You can scramble wash with the conditioner like in 2 week interval. Like every 2 weeks you can scramble wash with the shampoo if you feel like your hair is dirty. So let's get to it. Just the same way you use the shampoo to scramble wash. So you add your shampoo. So now we want to add our shampoo. Make sure there's enough lather on your hair. Make sure you get enough lather. Now there's enough lather. So you want to get in your brushing session for about 10 to 15 minutes. Let's go. Our brushing session, I want to put the drag on with the shampoo still on our hair. Then apply it to the top, okay? To the edges of your hair.